Today I'll be discussing about laws of indices. This is a topic in Form 2 mathematics, and I'll give about four, though they are much more. I'll give four laws of indices. So number one, there is a law that states that when you multiply a number a to power m times a to power n, what you get is that a, and then the indices will be the summation of the powers. That will be the indices. So a to power m, you multiply by a to power n, the answer will be a to power m plus n. You can give an example of such. You have 2 raised to power 3. You multiply by 2 raised to power 2. What you get is 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 from what we stated from our law. And then the answer will be 2 to power 5. 2 to power 5. To our next law of indices, you have this index. You have a to power m. You divide by a to power n. What you get as the product is a to power m. You subtract n. So you will subtract the indices or the powers m minus n. I can also give an example of this. You have a number like 2 raised to power 4. You divide by 2 raised to power, let's take 2. What you get is 2 raised to power 4 minus 2, and the answer is 2 raised to power 2. We go to our third law of indices. Our third law, let's take the third law as a raised to power m, and then you multiply by n. This is the product law, and what you get is a raised to power m times n, or what we call a raised to power m n. An example of this is 2 raised to power 3, and then you multiply by 2. So the answer you get here is 2 to power 6. 2 to power 6. And to our fourth law of indices, you have a raised to power a negative number, or let's say negative n. What you get is what you get is 1 over a raised to power n. So those are just four laws of indices, which will be continued later. So I've just given four, and then I'll continue in my next episode to the next laws of indices. So this is just a summation or a summary of what I've done. You have four laws of indices, and if you can, maybe you want to take the notes of this, you can just record them or write them somewhere for